Hey guys, welcome. In this video I'll show you how to upload zip on GitHub. So guys, in order to be able to add files, we need to create a repository first. So let us do that quickly. So go to GitHub, log in into your account, and let us create a repository. Let us input the name, zip files rep test, for example. As you can see, this is available. Description, test, visibility. Let's set it to private. Create. Alright, and now guys, you can start uploading. And now as you can see from the home page, we can create a new file or upload. So you can just press on upload an existing file. And as you can see now, we can navigate onto our computer or just choose your files and browse from here and find your zip file. Okay, so now my file, as you can see, uploaded, and now you can just commit changes. Press on this button. So it will take a little time to process your files. My file is pretty small, so as you can see, the processing is very simple. And now you're done and set to go. Enjoy guys! If this helped you out, don't forget to support our channel as well, we greatly appreciate it. Give this video a huge thumbs up and subscribe. See you in the next one guys.